Hi and welcome to the channel. My name is Anos, and I already shot this video, but it was too long, I think. 26 minutes. I'm not going to waste your time that much for just a haul time. But what a haul time it was. I just got a lot of cool stuff. So I just thought I'd share with you what I've been ordering and what I got. So let's just start with the nice little one, which is the Mobile 6 that just came. I've got the Mobile 6 HD. That thing is absolutely brilliant for tiny HD footage. I like it. I'm probably going to do the same as they've done here with the camera here. Some foam underneath. You can see they put some foam underneath. Mobile 6 is great. Does it come with the rolled pins or the solid pins? It comes with the solid pins. Well, what do you know? Or does it? Yes, it does. That's great. I ordered mine with some extra props and some extra motors, just because you never know if you might need them. Extra props is always nice. These hold up. I mean, these Gemfan ones, they hold up really well. They're damn nice props. I ordered mine from Alliexpress. I'll try and see if I can leave a link below. It'll be an affiliate link, and it won't cost you anything extra. It'll just give me like a couple of cents because you ordered it through me. But if you haven't got one of these, then get one. They're absolutely brilliant. The Mobile 6 is just a great little quad to fly around. I ordered mine with a charger and with a radio on Alliexpress, and they have different kinds of FPV kits with the Mobile 6 and the Mobile 6 HD, where you can get it with goggles and you can get it with a different radio. But I got it with the Beta FPV Lite 2, Lite Radio 2, from Fei Chow. Kind of weird. I think these, I don't know, these might be the ones that actually produce it for Beta FPV. But this thing is everywhere now. It's really cheap. And as you can hear, I have to take this apart because something's loose inside that little motor, the vibrate thing. I always take these apart, and I take out the weight things inside because I don't want it weighing in. There's no need. I think there are these little weight things. I'll take those out just to make it more lightweight for carrying around. There's no need for it to be heavy. It's bloody light, this thing. It's even called the light radio, right? But yeah, check out Alliexpress. They have some really good beginner FPV kits, I think. Not, of course, beginner FPV kit is not going to be something top of the line. It's just not, because it's not worth it. You don't know if you like it yet, but they've got some really nice FPV kits out there. Okay, what else did I get? I got the flight controller, spare one. Oh, that's not it. These are some motors, some 16,000 kV. I got the light. You know, the what is this? The Happy Model. What's it called? Crazy BF4 FR Lite with the integrated VTX and SPR receiver. This one comes with solid pins as well, which is nice. Good. I don't know why I ordered these motors, but I was going to make a really super light build because, 16,000 kV. These are 0603 16,000 kV. So they're going to have to go on a uber super duper ultra light build. I also bought the Yashin Nano V2 VTX, super light. Comes with pre-soldered wires, microphone, I don't know why, and an IPEX antenna. One of these circular polarized, I think, or linear, I'm not sure. I got some HQ props, small ones, 31mm, 4-blade. See if these work on one of my quads, lighter builds. Also ordered a new brushed flight controller, because this is an F4, and that's the only one I've seen lately. There's an F4 brush flight controller. This doesn't come with the solid pins, I already checked, but I'll just resolder them. But this is really nice. This comes with a receiver. It's got a bind button, and it's got a boot button, and it's got plugs. It's got really nice soldering pads down there. It's got yeah, on both sides you can do whatever you want. It even says what it is. That's nice. Yep. So, and it's got OSD, of course, which my other F3 brushed Queen F3 doesn't, because it's so old. There was no OSD. There was no Betaflight OSD. That's something that has come later. I got a Runcam 3 Nano, because this is just awesome for these tiny builds. Look at this thing with a plug, and this fits. Well, this is the one that's in the Mobular 6. So I've got all spare parts for the Mobular 6. I can crash and bash that one, and I just tuned it a bit, and I'm gonna start getting used to it. And maybe I'll post some flight footage when I've abused it a bit. Also got the Beta FPV, a canopy where you can screw in the VTX. It's got like the little screw holes. It comes with a camera and the VTX, and it's pretty good. This goes up to 300 milliwatts. It's very nice. The Eachine one goes up to 400 milliwatts, but gets really hot. And then, excuse me, I just dropped something here on the floor. I'm just gonna put this in like that instead, so it fits better. Really nice. Now we got really far in very short time, so that's great. Now, I also got this frame. Let's look at the frame first. This is the A Pro 125 Plus. This is a toothpick frame. Super light, very flexy, both that way and this way. But doesn't matter. It's going to be a super light build. I ordered some HQ props for them, the 65mm ones. Here you go. And this comes with a frame. And my plan is to change my. Let me just get it. To change this into an actual toothpick, and then make something with this frame. It's a little bit beefier. Make it into a proper 2-inch, with a different canopy probably. And that's sort of my plans for springtime. So that's what's going to happen on the channel. I'm going to be sharing that, of course. Hope you'll stay tuned and stay subscribed. Thank you for staying subscribed. It really means a lot. That I'm not just doing these for myself anymore. These videos, I'm actually also doing it for you guys. Well, mainly for you guys now. So thank you so much for watching. Really appreciate it. What else did I got? Yeah, I also got the Tyro 79 now. The DIY, you gotta build it yourself thing. Because I'm building this for a friend of mine. So that he has a good drone. So, a decent drone, let's just say. And this comes with all kinds of extra parts. Very nice. Here we go. The HDLR Zeus. New one, the Nano, isn't it? Must connect antenna first, then power up. I don't know, it must say that there. That's great. I've seen some really good things about this. I mean, this has got some serious good range for a little VTX. Kind of beefy as well. It's like it's made of something, but it's light. It's really light. So, and small. And it fits inside Whoops, because that's kind of the layout. So that's pretty cool. Can't wait to use this for something. This might go on my toothpick build. So I can get a toothpick that's got range. Excuse me. So, yeah. It also comes with stickers, of course, because it's HDLRC. And it comes with wires, of course. And it also comes with this one. So you could plug in a proper antenna and use this one on like a super light long range build. Very, very cool. Analog, of course. For me, analog is not dead. I'm not going digital. I can't see the point. I know DJI just came out with the V2 goggles and everybody's like, V2, V2. And then they have put nothing on the table with the V2s. Typical DJI. And so many people sold out to them. I can't believe it. I'm just going to wait until some other companies go digital. I mean, Fat Shot are going to do it eventually. I think Eachine are going to do it eventually as well. We're probably going to see it during this year. So, let's hope. That's pretty much it. I don't have any more stuff to show you. Just that I thought this was very interesting, the light radio from Feichao. I guess that might, I don't know. That might be the company that actually produced these. So, because I did get it from Alliexpress. I'll try and leave an affiliated link down below to where I got this package from Alliexpress, so you can go and check it out and buy one if you want you know, Mobular 6 and you haven't got one already. Hopefully you do, because this is absolutely brilliant. I've already smashed and bashed it up, and I've seen other people do it as well, so I can clearly say that this is just a great quad. When it comes to my own build, which Ghost 1, because I don't know, just Ghost. There'll be more about this. I'm still working on it. I actually got some frames. It finally came. This one. That's the frame that I want to be using. It's a 0.1 gram lighter than the standard Whoop frames that we use, like this. And that's pretty much it. And it's a little bit different. You can see. Just a little bit different. So yeah, exciting. Make it a little bit lighter. There are other things I can do to make this one lighter as well, like use the all-in-one board, which I think I'm going to be doing, and the Runcam 3. And then I'm going to stick the Runcam 3 inside the canopy there, and that should be good. But I also really want to have a Whoop this size that has an XM Plus receiver for range and a good VTX. So I don't know where I'm going with this. Seriously, I might have to build 2, which I think I'm going to be doing. 1 super light racer, 1 for long range racer. And this is actually pretty light and decent for a long range one. I just need to change the VTX and figure out how to mount it with cork in between the VTX and the flight controller so that it doesn't transfer heat. Yeah. That's it for me today. Thank you so much for watching, and stay tuned for more. Subscribe, hit the annotation bell down below so you know when I upload content. Here in the winter months, I can't guarantee that I upload every week. It just depends what I have time for. It's also in the middle of a pandemic, and I'm doing some other things. You know, you just gotta do some other things as well. I haven't been flying much, not even inside, just a few packs. I think maybe 5 packs in total this week, and I'm not gonna share the footage because it's just full of crashes, because I'm getting used to. I've had to tune this one, I had to tune the other one, and normally what I do is I don't show that, because it's just I don't want to waste people's time. But when I've got a tune, and when I think it's sort of safe to say that it's good build, it's not gonna fucking explode when you crash it straight away, then I'll do a review. And I haven't had these ones for long enough to be able to say anything about it. I haven't even had them a month. The only, especially the Mobilus 6 HD. So I don't know how that's gonna hold up in crashes. Really, I haven't. Some people say it's bad. Some people say it's good. But I'm gonna use this as a Cinewhoop style quad and try and minimize jello. Well, not in this one, but the HD one, which I've got here. And that's mainly what I'm gonna do. I already changed the screws the camera was mounted with, and I think the next thing but they're still very loose, you see, like I can move this really easily. All the way at the bottom it seems stuck, so I might just put some foam somewhere so it doesn't do this shaking, but it's doing a good. I've got a few recordings from it. I haven't actually watched them, but I'm gonna just get a lot of flights done and then watch and see how they perform, you know, during, like, after a few crashes, if you have to tighten the screws. So you can see that in the DVR from the SD card. Yeah, that's all for me today. Thank you for watching all the way to the end, and thank you for being subscribed again, and leave a comment down below. Always let me know what you have, what you're looking out for, maybe what you're shopping for. Anything that I haven't got here, I'd be interested, you know, especially when it's with Whoops and micros. I'm still looking for toothpick frames, light ones. This one I think is going to be pretty good. Most of these things that I buy now, I buy them from Alliexpress. Banggood sort of screwed me over with. It just takes too long from them, man. Alliexpress just seems to have much better customer support and tracking with the postals, so that's where I buy from now. But yeah, see you in the next one, and as always, fly hard.